Hello everyone. I need to cut down this dead tree and I need a new blade. I need a chainsaw chain. So mine is a Makita 16-inch electrical homeowner's chainsaw, and I got a chain from Hyper. They sent it to me, so I'm gonna review it. It come in a package like this. I'm gonna open it. It comes in like that. Doesn't have any description whatsoever, so I don't think it needs a description. So I'm gonna put it on and let you guys know how sharp it is. So this is the chain. It has the Hyper name on it. Yeah, that's the it said A1 Hyper right there. So I'm going to remove the existing chain from Makita. This is the original chain. It's a cross-cut chain. Unscrew. You just lift it up. Wow, how dusty it is. It's a good idea to clean it. Give it a little jerk. It'll come off. Old one, the new one from Hyper. Man, look at all these dirt, sawdust that I have. So, first thing first, it's pretty common sense. You just line them up right here like this. So once you have it lined up, you just put this right over here. Just like that. Not too snug, not too loose. Just perfect. Okay, I need to put my camera down so I can tidy it up. So once you have the chain on, one way to check to see if you got it right is that this is the cutting right here. So the chain rotates this way. You know, the bottom ones go towards you, so it cuts like that. Okay, and then you put this back on, and that is it. Once you have the cover back on, you just tighten this up. And then before you tighten it up, you want to adjust the tension to make sure it's just right. So this is a little loose right now, so I need to adjust the tension. Push it towards the away from the handle will make it tighter. So I'm going to push it towards, away from the handle. So I think it's good right now. So I'm going to lock it. Locked. Done. All right, let's see how it cuts. I'm holding the camera. Wow, that was pretty sharp. I liked it. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. One hand holding the phone, one hand doing the cutting. Yeah, it cuts pretty well. It's my notch, not the best, but I need to fix that. Pretty sharp. Well, I did it. The sharp blade definitely, the sharp chain definitely help. I felt this tree right here. It was dead last year. I think it still has a year left, but I didn't want it to wait. So I'm gonna clean it up. Wow, this hyper chain really helps, really sharp. I clean it up. All right, I am done for the day. I'll clean up the rest next time. So I cut it. I did this in less than a minute. I mean, cross cut. One piece, so one cut. Two pieces, two cut. Three pieces, three cuts. Four pieces, fourth cut. And yeah, 4 cuts. Would I recommend this hyper chain? Yeah, I definitely recommend it as a homeowner. I thought it was pretty sharp. It did exactly what I needed it to do, which is, cross cut. And I think you can get these from Amazon or the Hyper website. I'll link it to both. Comes in a box like this. These are the original one. This is the original one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna keep this Hyper. If I were to buy a new one, I think I would buy it from Hyper or Amazon directly or hyper.com, either one. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.